Hello friends, it is Running Kimono and this is the Walgreens preview for the week of January the 31st to February the 6th. So let's remember a lot of these deals will be starting in that window. Please be mindful of that. If you try and do some of these deals, it might not work for you. And let's also remember that in this weekend's newspaper, the February P&G will be there. If you like the P&G products such as Tide, Olay, the really good stuff, you might want to pick up the newspaper. So why is this video so early? Well, here's why. This Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, the 50% off clearance event will be taking place over at the Dollar General. I'm a huge fan of that sale. I cannot get enough of it. And I will be kind of like in the store for most of Friday, doing deals and looking for POG deals as well, along with the clearance section. So if you are interested in this, please check the video linked at the very end. So that's why the video is like a day early. Okay, so we have a couple boosters that will be going into next week, including this one, which is a 10 off of 30. I had the 10 off of 30. I had the 5 off of 25. I had two of them. They are all of a one-time use. And for this specific one, yes, you can pay with Walgreens cash. Now, the counterpart to this is this one that's from the 31st to the 6th. So there's a very specific window and you must pay cash for the balance for this one. Cash, credit card, pennies, whatever you have. And this is also of a one-time use. Okay, so the first little dealio that we're going to look at is with the Crest toothpaste, $3.99. There will be a digital 5 off of 3 on Sunday morning, so you'll have to wait for that one. And a $6 register reward when you buy 3 tubes of this toothpaste. So looking at the math for this one, grabbing 3 of them, that is $11.97. Subtracting that 5 off of 3, you're left with paying $6.97 out of pocket, getting back a $6 register reward. Well, it's 97 cents for the 3, or like 33 cents per tube. And if you wish to use your Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, you will still earn your register reward. The next little promotion that we have is with the Charmin Bounty, $4.99, and when you buy 4 of these, you're going to get back a $6 register reward. Now, some stores, if they limit you to paper products, this might be a no-go, but I know a lot of us can probably do this deal. Now, in the February P&G, we have this little quarter for the Charmin toilet paper. I'm laughing because, 25 cents. Can't they give us like at least 50 cents or $1? And then also for the Bounty, so these very generous quarter coupons, you're going to need 2 of each for this little deal. And please make sure the cashier scans every single one so you can scan all these coupons without any beeps at checkout. So grabbing 4 of them, that's $19.96. Subtracting 4 quarter coupons, your new total is $18.96. You know what I would do? Throw in $10 of Walgreens cash if you might have it. Pay the $8.96 out of pocket. Get back your $6 register reward. So we're looking at $2.96 for the 4 with a loss of $10 of Walgreens cash, but still a very respectful deal. Now, pairing the toothpaste in this one, because the register reward is like a 6-pack, I wouldn't put them together in a basket for like a 10 off of 30 or something like that, because I think it might be a similar register reward where only one will print out. Just a feeling I have. Okay, so the next deal that we have is with the Olay. It's 2 for $12. $4 of Walgreens cash when you buy 2. And there will be dollar coupons in this weekend's P&G. Alternatively, there also might be a digital one too, but this is what it looks like, and we can use up to 2, and it's on either the bar soap or the body wash for the Olay line. Okay, so buying 2 of these, that's 12 on the nose, subtracting $2 coupons, well, you're left with paying 10 out of pocket, getting back $4 of Walgreens cash. It's basically $6 for 2 or $3 per body wash. And if you wish to use your Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, you will still earn your $4. Okay, so utilizing this on Sunday, let's think of a new little deal on how we can use this with some of these promotions to get the biggest bang for our buck. I'm going to be doing this one specifically, so if you want to wait for me, I'll show you how it plays out. We're also going to need to grab this one for the basket to get all the numbers to balance out. Load that dollar digital coupon on Sunday morning for the Arm & Hammer. Okay, so let's look at the math for this one. We are going to be going back to some of the other deals that I just showed you and then making a $30 basket. For Bounty and Charmin, get a mix for $19.96, 2 Olay body washes for $12, 1 Arm & Hammer detergent for $2.99, for a total of $34.95. I'm I'm going to present 4 25-cent coupons from the February P&G for my Bounty Charmin, $2 from the February P&G for the Olay, and then I have $1 digital for the Arm & Hammer. So my new total after all of that magic is $30.95. We have a 10 off of 30 booster that's coming off, and I'm going to throw in $20 of Walgreens cash. I'm paying 95 cents plus the tax. I'm going to get back a $6 register reward and $4 of Walgreens cash. So yeah, it is a loss of $10, but to get this amount of stuff just to roll a bit of cash, I think this is just a smart deal. And again, if you want to wait for me on Sunday, this is a deal I will be doing myself. Okay, guys, next deal that we have is with the DiGiorno pizza. It's on a buy one, get one free. So you would find this in the cooler section, like near the drinks. They have a freezer section where the ice cream and these delicious pizzas are. The Supreme is my favorite. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. So grabbing 2 of the DiGiorno pizzas for $6.99. Remember, BOGO free. It's basically like $3.49 per pizza. Look on the digital coupons folder if there might be some coupons, or IBOTTA if there might be a rebate. The Super Bowl will be celebrated on Sunday, February the 7th, so they're really trying to promote these like food and soda deals. So, you know, however you slice it or dice it, I mean, there's some deals to be had and found for the DiGiorno in the next week or so at many different stores. Okay, guys, so if you might be so lucky to have these from last week, there were many little deals that were printing out the register rewards. You can obviously use them, you know, in some of these deals this week if you don't have manufacturer coupons, or if you think a quarter coupon is a joke. Like, for example, this soda deal, 3 for $9.99. I mean, that's really good because last week it was like $12 for 3. So let's see the savings right there. Anyhow, grabbing 3 of these Cokes for $9.99, I'm going to use a $3 and $5 register reward and pay $1.99 for 3 12-packs. So that's really fantastic. Here in Michigan, we have a bottle deposit. But if I wanted to even use my Walgreens cash to pay down the balance of that $1.99, I can do so. Now, looking at it with this, let's try and get some food really inexpensive with this booster for this little deal. And this is stuff you can keep in your pantry or freezer. Grabbing 4 pizzas, that would be $13.98, the DiGiorno's, and then 6 Cokes for $19.98. Well, the total for that is $33.96. Remember, we have a 10 off of 30 booster that we're going to throw in with this one, along with $20 of Walgreens cash, and I'm paying $3.96 out of pocket. For the soda, it's going to be a bit more here in Michigan with a bottle deposit, but hey, that's not the worst deal, and it's stuff that I'm going to have in my stockpile for a good couple of weeks, or depending how fast my husband eats all that pizza. Okay, guys, so now we're just going to talk about some products that are really good deals, including this Tangle teaser. It's like a brush, and if you have like a lot of knots, you know, if you have long hair like me, this is a really great product. I've owned many of these over the years, and it's really nice to see it over at Walgreens. So it's $12. There's a $2 digital, so it would drop it down to $10. So load this digital coupon right away. You can see the coupon's valid till March the 31st, so definitely you can pick it up between now and then. There's going to be a $2 digital for both the liquid and the Tide Pods. Load both those digitals. This week at $4.99, they're dropping down to $2.99. Not the worst price point for Tide liquid or pods. And this Renew $7.99. There is a $2 Walgreens coupon, and then a $3 manufacturer, dropping it down to $2.99 if you need like contact lens care. Not the worst little deal. And then also the Irish Spring will be $3.99, and there's going to be a $2 off digital to low, dropping it down to $1.99. I think the manufacturers for that one will also expire, the recent ones, on Saturday, so you can't pair it with that. Okay, guys, let's talk about some honorable mentions. Okay, so these ones are no stranger, but I know a lot of you are finding the 40-cent Snickers or that multi-pack. The UPCs are right here. There's a $1 IVC coupon. It zeroes it out to free. Also, clearance items that have been spotted at multiple stores. I'm getting so many DMs on this. Include these Sweet Tart little gummy candies, 90% off. So be on the lookout for that. Hopefully it'll clear at your store sooner than later. Also, this was another superb clearance find. This Oral-B cavity protection on clearance for $2.29. $2 digital coupon, so 29 cents for this fancy schmancy mouthwash. So how great is that? And Valentine's Day will be celebrated soon. There's a 2 off of 2 digital coupon. So if you buy cards that are like $2, basically you'll get one for free with this digital coupon. It does exclude the 99-cent card, so just be super duper mindful of that. And these little bags are on a buy one, get two for free. And this complete home is in the Walgreens line. So $2.97 for the first, 2 will be free. So it shakes them out to 93 cents for each. And for all my keto couponers, we have a really good deal with the Oscar Mayer bacon, 2 for $8. I mean, that's $1 of savings per pack of bacon. You can freeze this, and this is just a fantastic deal. Even if you go to your local Meijer, it's usually like $5 or $6 for one pack. This is a very good deal. And now the beverages in concert with Super Bowl. So there's a lot of these mail-in rebates, so you would pay for it, and then a Catalina would come out of the machine, and you would send it to the manufacturer with your information and the UPC from the box and the receipt, and they will mail you back a check. So for the different products, the Truly, Budweiser, Stella Artois, and then also this is probably the best value, the Bud Light. So it would be $9.99 after the $5 mail-in rebate. It's $4.99. So if you're really trying to stock up on some drinks for the Super Bowl weekend, this is some really good value right here. Okay, $14.99 for these Conair hair tools that are usually closer to $30 or $40. And I'm seeing a double ceramic curling iron. This is some tremendous savings right here. If you are into hot tools for your hair, you know what I'm talking about, because that's at least 50% off. And 2 for $1 on the Arizona. If you have a lot of register rewards, this is a fantastic filler because you'll need it to grab your register rewards in your transactions if you have manufacturers on every item. And then the 7-Up Dr. Pepper Canada Dry is 3 for $8.99, which is a very respectful price. I think Canada Dry Zero had dollar rebates on Ibotta. You might want to check that out if your store might be selling the Canada Dry Zero. And then the face masks, $24.99 for a pack of 50. Now these were, I think, like $50 last year sometime, and now they're 50% off. So keep a watchful eye out if you're looking for masks. There might be some even better deals at the store. And then this line has a buy one, get one free on hand soap and the sanitizer. I've seen a lot of this also on clearance at various stores. Maybe you can make a really great deal happen, throw in some Walgreens cash, and you will be laughing all the way to the bank. As always, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.